Hi, I am Syed. In the previous video, we have seen inverse Laplace transform of elementary functions. We'll try to continue a few problems based on inverse Laplace transform of elementary functions. Let us take the next example. So evaluate L inverse of s plus 2 divided by s square plus 36 plus 4s minus of 1 divided by s square plus 25. So now I need to apply inverse transform individually for each of the terms. So I can rewrite this as L inverse of s plus 2 divided by s square plus 36 plus L inverse of 4s minus of 1 divided by s square plus 25. So this expression are not in the standard form, so I'll try to divide each of the term. So this becomes L inverse of, I can divide this s by s square plus, I can write in this way, s by s square plus 36. So I can write inverse transform separately for this term. Then plus 2 you have, plus L inverse of, it is 2 by s square plus 36. Right. Next, here also you can write, it is L inverse of 4s by, so again divide that by s square plus 25. Then minus 1 you have, so minus of, apply the inverse transform, L inverse of 1 by s square plus 25. If you try to observe here, you have to get in the standard form, so I'll try to rewrite this as L inverse of, I know the formula L inverse of s by s square plus a square. So 36 can I write it as 6 square, because we have two set of formulas that I have given to you. You can observe here L inverse of s by s square plus, you can see over here L inverse of s by s square plus a square will be cos 80, or L inverse of a by s square plus a square will be sin 80. So in the denominator you can get s square plus a square. If you get s by, you will get cos 80. If you get a by, you will be getting sin 80. So in these two forms you have to get it. So try to observe here, it is already in the form of L inverse of s by s square plus a square. So here this should be in the form of L inverse of a by. So it should be in the form of, because here I can write this as say s square plus 36 can be written as 6 square. So if I write in this form, so it should be a by, so a value should be 6, so 6 should be here, 6 by s square plus 6 square. So what about this 2? So 2 I will take outside, but I cannot just multiply 6 here. So to compensate for this multiplication of 6, I have to divide by 6. Right? So it becomes in the standard form. So coming to this value, plus 4 I can take outside, L inverse of, so this will be s by s square plus 25 can be written as 5 square, minus L inverse of, so this is in the form of s square plus 25 can be written as 5 square, but either it should be s by or it should be a by. S is not there here, so the only possibility should be a by, so a value is 5. I can't just multiply this 5, so I have to divide that by 5 to compensate for this multiplication of 5. Now every expression is in the standard form. If you want, you can cancel out this one, 2 1 times, alright, 2 3 times. So this will be equals to, so this is nothing but here cos 80, so cos of a value over here is 6, so cos of 80, cos 60. Here you have plus 1 by 3, so this is L inverse of a by s square plus a square will be sin 80, sin of 60. Next value plus 4 into, this is in the form of L inverse of s by s square plus a square will be cos 80. So cos of a value over here is 5, so cos of 5t minus 1 by 5 into, this is L inverse of s by s square plus a square. So in this case it is 5, that is a by s square plus a square will be sin 80. So sin of a value over here is 5. So sin of 5t. So that will be your required solution.